and 18th Congress as Deputy Speaker, and now as he serves as USEC of the Department.
Danica Soto sa gabi ng lamay ni Yusek D.V. Sevillano, hindi iniiwanan ang kanyang mami Dina Bonavi. Palagi rin siya nakaalalay dito dahil nga hanggang ngayon ay nalulungkot pa rin ang kanyang mami sa pagkawala ng asawa nito. Kaya naman marami pa rin ang nakikiramay kay Miss Dina Bonavi. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Sa mga huling lamay nga ni Yusek D.V. Sevillano, nakiramay din si Miss Lani Revilla, kung saan binigyan din ng pagkilala si Mr. Yusek Sevillano dahil sa mga nagawa nito. Marami rin talagang nagawa at natulungan si Honorable Yusek D.V. Sevillano sa ating mga mamamayan, lalong-lalo na sa kanyang mga nasasakupan. Isa na nga rin sa mga nakakita ng kanyang pagsiservisyo itong si Miss Lani Mercado.
During the 17th and 18th Congress as Deputy Speaker, and now as he serves as USEC of the Department of Agriculture. This note, because later on we will be awarding to the family the legislative performance record of Honorable Deogracias Victor D.V.B. Sevillano. Honorable Deogracias Victor D.V.B. Sevillano, representative of the 1st District of Ilocos Sur in the 17th Congress from 2016 to 2019 and the 18th Congress from 2019 to 2022, speaks well of the quality of his legislative initiatives and mirrors his humble and significant contribution in enhancing the value of democratic representation in the legislative branch of the Philippine government. The representation works that Representative Sevillano served his constituents in the province of Ilocos Sur and the Filipino people during his incumbency proved that the value of representation in a democracy is best measured by the depth of his understanding of the plight, dreams, and aspirations of the people, and by his commitment and actions to truly serve the interests of his constituents and the public. It is the earnest desire of the House of Representatives that through the publication of his legislative performance record, the brand of service that defined Representative Sevillano's tenure in the House of Representatives will continue to live.
Sa mga nagdaang lamay nga ni Honorable Yusek Sevillano, hindi maiwasan ni Miss Dina Bonavi na talagang maging emosyonal at umiyak lalo-lalo na kapag dinadalaw sila ng kanilang mga kaibigan. Dumating na nga rin ito si Carmina Villaruel at hindi pinalagpas ang pakikiramay sa kanyang kaibigang si Miss Dina Bonavi. Mahal na mahal nila ang kanilang kaibigan si Miss Dina, kaya naman talagang kino-comfort nila ito. Bumuhos nga ang luha ni Miss Dina Bonavi nang dumating itong si Carmina Villaruel. Katunayan, isa nga si Miss Carmina sa mga nasasabihan ni Miss Dina ng kanyang mga hinaing, lalong-lalo na sa mga oras na ganito na talagang siya ay nasasaktan. Dumating din si Mr. Richard Yap na nakiramay din kay Miss Dina Bonavi sa pagkawala ng asawa nito ang si Mr. Yusek D.V. Sevillano. Isa rin si Mr. Richard Yap sa mga malalapit sa kanila. Nariyan nga rin si Mr. Mark Pingris kung saan nakikiramay din sa pagkawala ng kanilang stepdad na si D.V. Sevillano. Inaalalayan din ni Mark ang kanyang asawa at ang kanyang mother-in-law na si Miss Dina Bonavi. Talagang hindi sila nawawala sa lamay dahil nga talagang kailangan sila ng kanilang mami Dina.
Ilocos Sur and the Filipino people during his incumbency proved that the value of representation in a democracy is best measured by the depth of his understanding of the plight, dreams, and aspirations of the people, and by his commitment and actions to truly serve the interests of his constituents and the public. It is the earnest desire of the House of Representatives that through the publication of his legislative performance record, the brand of service that defined Representative Sevillano's tenure in the House of Representatives will continue to live and be admired by the current and future generation of Filipinos. Again, our humblest condolences coming from the Northern Bloc, most especially of the House of Representatives. Magandang gabi po.
Matapos nga magsalita ni Ms. Lani Mercado Revilla ay binigyan niya ng munting regalo itong si Honorable Yusek D.V. Sevillano at tinanggap naman ito ni Ms. Dina Bonavi kasama ng kanyang buong pamilya at ng mga anak nito.
North Luzon, alam po yan ni Benedict, nung si DSDB po ang naging chairperson po, doon po naging more active po yung committee na weekly po kami nagmi-meeting and then it was carried over na po hanggang ngayon. That's why yung North Luzon po palagi pong busy because inumpisahan po ni DSDB na maging active. So, yan po yung legacy na naiwan sa amin ni DSDB. That's why very precious. So, thank you po, guys. Thank you, Prof.